Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a texture pack for Minecraft Java Edition. This is the start of a little mini series, so this one I'm going to show you how to make the texture pack himself, if you have textures already. If you don't have textures already, I'll be showing that in the next episode how to make them. And I'll also be covering animated textures and stuff, so it'd be really cool. Before we start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. And let's start, I guess. So first of all, I like to make a map where you put everything in. So I'm going to make this tutorial pack. So yeah, that will be the name. It's not really original, but I mean it's not going to be. I'm not going to make a real resource pack. So you can open this. And in this you want three things. The first thing is a little logo. It needs to be a square, and I'm going to use my profile picture of YouTube. So I'll just drag that in, but you need to rename it to pack.png. So if you don't have the PNG at the end, it will be important in a few seconds. So go to view and make sure this is checked. Otherwise, yeah, it will just look like this. So yeah, when you have this in here, you want a new text document, and you can also name this pack, and you can open this, and you need to do some stuff in here. So you don't need to type it yourself. I have a paste bin in the description. You can just copy this and you can paste it in here. So what does this mean? You can change the pack format to something else if you're using a different version. Pack format 5 is from 1.13 to 1.16, so those are the most recent versions. So 1.12, I think it's 4. You should look this up before you do it actually. And then the description, you can do whatever you want. I'm going to put subscribe like that, and Control S or save, and you can close it. Then you want to rename this instead of txt to mc meta, and it will ask you if you really want to change this. Of course, and it will look like that. So then the last thing, it is the most complicated, but here are finally coming the textures. So you want to do Windows plus R, and type this %app data % and enter, and you want to click on Minecraft, and here you want to search for versions, usually the last map in your Minecraft folder, and the last map, by the way, not all of this. So I'm going to go to 1.15.2. then don't want to touch JSON, so go to the jar and open with WinRAR. I'm going to use that. So there is a link to WinRAR in the description. So yeah, choose what you want. You also like every language, so that's cool. And then in here you want to take the assets. In here you want to take the assets and drag it into your project, and it will copy a lot of stuff because there are a lot of textures and JSONs and all that stuff. So that's done. First of all, in here we have you only want to go in Minecraft, and then here is a lot of stuff. So in block states there are only JSONs. Don't touch them when you don't know what you're doing. There are a lot of stuff. So first thing I want to do, in the textures, you have all the textures. So it's really self-explanatory. So as you can see here, all the blocks textures, and for example, if you want to make an andesite, just it needs to be 16 by 16 texture, and name it andesite exactly like this, andesite.png, and just delete this and drag your texture in here, and it will work. So one thing, this will be really weird if you don't do this. So if you go into GUI, and I want to delete the title, so I just delete that. So this will, otherwise the background of your Minecraft will be just gray, and you don't want that. Unless you want to change it to your own thing, you can just add it in. You know where we found it, update the Minecraft and versions 1.15 in assets and stuff. So yeah, then apart from textures, I want to show one thing in lang. Here we have en_us.json, and this may seem a little bit complicated, but it definitely is not. This is just the names. If you go down to where it says block, as you can see, my block.minecraft.torch is just a torch, so that's the name. So if you go to item and yeah, for example, I'm going to change something. If you watch Korean's Hermitcraft series, you will know what this is. We changed parrot to pesky bird. And we can also go to entities. There are a lot of entities. Let's just the parrot, let's just change this to pesky bird. And then just say this, and if we do something, I didn't make textures, of course. As I said it already, that's for the next episode. I will show you how to make them, but just so you know it works, I changed the name of a parrot. So yeah, this is actually done at the moment. So if you have these three things, you can select them all, and you can send to compressed zip folder. It will do a lot of stuff, so I'll just skip right ahead. So that's done. Now the name is assets.zip. I'm just going to name that tutorial pack. This is actually the name that's going to appear in Minecraft. So there are also a lot of color codes and stuff, and cool thing you can do. This will look a little bit boring, but you should look that up. I don't know all of them. So this is your texture pack. So if you go again to Windows R and go to app data in Minecraft, and then to resource packs, not to resources or texture packs. I don't know why they are there. So as you can see, here are all the texture packs. So and you can just drag it in here, and if you go into Minecraft, so I'm here in the resource packs. As you can see, here's the tutorial pack. It says it has the description, it has the name. As you can see, I have a few here with like cool names. You can experiment with that. So if we enable this, so it is loaded, nothing different here, of course. It would have looked great if you didn't delete the title file. You can, of course, add the title file again if you want your custom thing. So let's just load up our world. Okay, and just to prove that it works, as you can see, pesky bird spawn egg. So this is to prove that it works. I renamed the JSON. I already named the parrot to pesky bird. So in next one, for the third time in this video, in the next one I'll be showing how to make the actual textures, if you don't know that already, and then we will see an actual difference in all the textures. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next few videos, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.